Today I'll be unboxing the C-3PO Premium Electronic Head with lights and sounds. This is part of the Star Wars Galactic Archive series. This was released in October of 2024 and is available at the Disney Store for $120. It might be available in the parks too, but I am not sure. This thing is huge. I was expecting it to be a lot smaller than this, but this box is really big. So it looks like we can have it just look like C-3PO, or we can take the panels off and see all the wires and stuff on the inside. So the back of the box does say removable pieces, touch activated, authentic light features, authentic character phrases, multi-piece assembly, and you can move a wire to access Sith translation. So that's pretty cool because in the 9th movie, they had to fix him and they changed some wires around and then he was speaking the Sith language. That's awesome. So yeah, let's open this thing up. Check it out. So I have the box right here on a chair. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and then we'll take a closer look on the table over here. I think I got it. All right, so open this up. Ooh, we have some instructions on the top. Oh yeah. Oh, interesting. So yeah, it's showing you how to put all the pieces on the head, and it looks like it's all complete here. Go ahead and pull this out. All right, drop the box on the ground there. And then now you can see he's in these 2 pieces of plastic. Do they have tape? Doesn't look like it, so we just pull these apart. Oh, well, there we go, came right off. And we have our C-3PO head. There we go. Wow. It's like a real life-size head. If it was a helmet, you can get my head in there. Looks like it still has some plastic, a little bit of wrapping on the bottom piece here. And then it does come with a USB cable. Awesome. So I'm gonna take it over here to the table. We'll read the instructions and then see how we disassemble this and see the inside and see how it works. All right, so we have the C-3PO head over here on the table. This thing is big, super awesome. I do have a USB cable here. So we're gonna plug it in the back. Got this little port there, and then we're gonna turn them on. And he is lit up, and then now we should just be able to touch his face.
Is my head on straight? I have a bad feeling about this. Oh no! I'm so confused. We seem to be made to suffer. It's our lot in life. I feel so helpless.
Looks like you could touch him anywhere. You could touch him down here.
Shut me down.
Anywhere.
My parts are showing. My goodness. Oh. Sir, if you'll not be needing me, I'll close down for a while.
All right, so that's what he does. He lights up, his eyes light up, and then makes sounds when
What's going on? Turn round. I can't see.
when you touch him. Very cool. So now...
I'm not much more than an interpreter, and not very good at telling stories. Well, not at making them interesting anyway.
Let's go ahead and take him apart. Okay, so now to open him up, I'm going to go ahead and turn him off. So he's off, and I'm going to unplug the USB cable. And then we're going to open him up. Now I did already open him up once, and it was pretty challenging, I thought, especially this area up here. So we'll see if this second attempt works easier. So we untwist that piece, and it comes off. And then we do the same on this side, and it comes off. And then now the next piece, we should just be able to pull this piece off and the back piece off. Oh, so it was much easier this time. It got really stuck here, and I was about to break this little piece there. I thought maybe that has to turn off. So now we have his face is over here, and then the back kind of lifts up, kind of out and up. There we go. So out and up like that, and then the little collar piece here on the neck, you just kind of lift them up and then out. And then now we have the inside of C-3PO. Check him out. Hey, you don't look as good, 3PO. So now you got all of the wires and all of the insides of this guy here. And then here is the wire, this purple wire. So you can see it's up at the top. So that's where you get the yellow eyes, but it says we can pull that out and then put it in there. And then now if we plug them in and turn them on, you should have red eyes. So let's plug them in. So we have red eyes.
The Emperor's Wayfinder is in the Imperial Vault at Delta 36, transient 936, bearing 32 on a moon in the Endor system. From the southern shore, only this blade tells. Only this blade tells.
Now he's given up the Sith secrets here. So there we go. So he says, it looks like he says one thing in the Sith language. And I'm guessing, I mean, that's kind of, it's a bit of an ordeal to flip them back and forth here to open them up. So that's more like a little secret thing in my opinion. So I think I'm gonna leave him as regular C-3PO so he says a lot more stuff. And now to put them back, we have to replace the collars, front and back collars here. So that one is in, and we got the front collar. Okay, so the collars are in. And then now the next piece, we're gonna do the back. Hold on, I think I got that out of order. We do the front because the front goes down into those. So the front part, see how it fits right down into there. Then the back part can come in. Okay, now he looks good and closed up. So now we can put these little locks on here. So we lock that side and we lock that side. And then now we can plug them back in, turn them on, and you should be back to regular C-3PO.
My parts are showing. My goodness. Oh. I can assure you they will never get me onto one of those dreadful starships. We're doomed.
Very cool. So that was the Star Wars Galactic Archive series C-3PO electronic head. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this. I think this thing is awesome and I love the size of it. This would look great on a Star Wars shelf with other Star Wars collectibles or some Star Wars pins or something like that. So I did keep track of the phrases that he was saying, and he says 32 different phrases, which is quite a lot. Actually, that'd be 33 phrases if you include the Sith phrase when you move that purple cable. So very nice. I need to go figure out where I'm going to put this. I need to create a new Star Wars shelf and put this guy on there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.